Jesus Christ, do you see the menu screen?
It is. It's looking very juicy.
The appendages, my god.
People might be into that.
Yeah.
Let's go to Twitch.
Oh my god. Yeah, by the way, follow him on Twitch. It's gonna be in the description. So yeah, welcome everybody. My name is Xenon, and I'm here with this bitch animal.
Son of a bitch. Now I'm gonna change the fucking stream name now. Bitch and animal.
Yo, he's in.
Yeah, I'm just telling you.
Are you streaming?
Starting stream.
Starting, yeah.
Oh god, why did you fucking start recording so fucking quick? There's so many fucking things that is fucked up. The mic is one of them.
Okay, fine. Back out. Back out if you need to. Back out.
No, it's too late.
Yeah, starting game.
This can go very poorly or very well. There's no in between.
We'll be fine.
Oh, joining game. So are we going to be like the second plane that crashes in?
No, we're in a helicopter. We're in a helicopter.
Oh shit! So the helicopter crashes.
Yeah, I guess.
I swear to God. The next game has to be a submarine crash.
Jesus, my audio. Fight demons.
I'm still streaming might not be the greatest idea, but hey, Are you in the game?
Helicopter scene. Did you skip the intro?
No, I haven't even got on the still says none of the cars. Sounds loud. It's like pause.
Bruh. I'm in the intro sequence.
Hopefully. It will... Actually, I'll be quiet because you're doing that.
Now, who invited you here?
Okay, I mean... Jesus Christ, the audio. Okay, where are you?
Helicopter scene.
Okay. Oh, is this Kevin? Hey, Kevin. And, yeah.
Oh my god.
Calvin. Yeah.
I know.
Jesus. Poor Calvin. He's deaf. Take a break. Oh, that's text. Hmm. Hmm.
And he's just hanging off the edge. Okay. Oh. Oh no. What? Water? The fuck? Put some more effort into it. Goddamn.
Hmm. That's how you make a tent, okay. Oh. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Very, very interesting.
Oh.
Are you in?
Ow.
Are you in?
I'm getting investigated.
Oh, by a creepy
God.
man? By a creepy man?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Like
did.
creepy man.
I saw him. I saw him earlier. Hmm.
I'm just joking.
Hmm. There's so much to do, Jesus Christ. Well. Yeah, there's so much to fucking
What
do.
is this person?
Oh, hey. This is Calvin.
Hi.
This is Calvin.
Can we kill him?
No.
Why not?
Because no. I said no. Where's my sensitivity?
Oh my goodness, hopefully.
Mm.
Oh my god, we can actually just open it up instead of fucking breaking it open. Oh shit.
Yeah. Hey man. Hey man. Am I black?
Oh, you're black. My hand's white. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm being black.
No, I'm black. I'm black. I like that we can open these things up finally, instead of, you know,
You're one light black person.
bruh. By the way, animal, open your inventory with I. It's just a forest. It's literally just a forest.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know how I feel about that. It's kind of cool, but hey. Oh, I have a knife.
Yeah. No. Open the bag. Open the bag.
What? What do you mean open bag?
I mean, open the bag. The bag that you came with. that has an axe.
There's
Oh,
no
grenades!
axe.
Grenades!
There's grenades? There's no axes.
You don't have an axe? Like, look.
No, no, like, here, I'll show you. I have. Oh, there's that bag you're talking about. Okay.
Yeah, that bag, you dumb fuck.
That. And. Wow. Whoa! I got an axe!
Why don't we have, what's it called? Hotkeys. We don't have hotkeys, by the way.
Oh, God. Can we
Yeah,
equip the shit to? Oh, we don't.
yeah,
Ew.
yeah, that's stupid.
Okay.
I'm gonna take some medicines. Jeez, I just downed that. Leaves. Ammo. Yeah, ammo. Grenades. Hey. Oh, that's not you. Hey, do you want a grenade?
Oh, sure, that sounds fun. Give me. Wait, let's play catch.
Yeah, catch.
What was that? It's concussion.
Yeah, over here is where I got these grenades.
Oh, yoink, yoink, yoink.
Oh, I can give you stuff. Here, have some candy.
Wait, hold on, you need to see this. Look, where did you chuck that? I don't
Just
know where
E
the
on me,
candy is.
E on me, E on me, E.
Oh, E.
E.
Oh, I have to hold it down.
Yeah.
Here, have some candy.
You blew me away with that candy, Jesus.
I'm gonna fucking throw that.
Okay, enough dilly-dallying,
Oh,
enough
shit,
dicking
it's
around.
dark.
Yeah, enough dicking around, look. Do you see the
Wait,
smoke?
who the fuck are these two people?
Those are dead people. By the way, this is Calvin. Over here. Animal.
Yep,
Animal.
yep. I'm like curious. Those are dead people. Oh! Oh!
I don't think you
Oh,
can
they
show
are
that
already dead.
on stream. Get the bird, get the bird.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, it is
Into the
cool.
ass, up through the head.
Oh, I hit you.
Oh! Oh! I'm already dead! I don't have any more medicine! Should have thought
Okay.
about that before throwing a grenade at me.
Maybe.
I didn't want to. Okay.
I got meat.
Okay, what are we, Okay, so,
Well, we have a map.
Are we-
We do have a map.
what? Oh, shit. Wait a second.
Yeah, I don't know.
But we already have a map at the bottom fucking left. Oh,
Yes,
right.
yes, bottom right.
Bottom
Yeah.
right of the screen. Why do we need this map? Oh, it shows where we need to go.
Yep. Some waypoints. Some good ass waypoints.
You want to go one in the middle?
Facing where? That way.
This way.
Okay, yeah. Ooh, blueberries. Blueberries.
Oh my god. Okay.
Blueberries. Grab some bloobs.
Yum. That. Oh my god.
Get some leaves. And skid sticks.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh. Hello. Okay. Can I?
What the hell?
Let me see what I can combine. Oh, by the way, we have lights. We have lights in our
Oh,
inventory.
really?
Yeah. Crafted spear.
Ow.
Where are my
These are.
sticks?
That's a fucking weird lighter.
Yeah. Yeah,
I
it's an
don't-
electric lighter. It's stupid.
That's so we're going to have less light than usual.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Crafted. I got a spear, by the way.
Right, I need to make that, don't I?
Yeah.
Oh,
Sticks and tape. Sticks and tape. Sticks and tape. That's a
I like this rock.
that's a big ass
I like
rock.
rocks.
That's a big ass rock. Okay.
This is
Jesus.
my weapon.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I can't even attack with it. This is bullshit. How do I? If you want.
Get some sticks. Get some sticks and stones.
You know what? I can't drop the rock. Go away. Stop
I
looking at
heard you. I heard you.
it. No.
Yes. I did hear you.
What is that?
Yeah, this game.
Bro.
This
Okay.
this game has so much. Oh my god! And it's only been 20 minutes.
Alright. Okay, duct tape this, and where's the sticks? Sticks are way over here. Combined.
They're way at the bottom.
Oh! Spear.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can make multiple spears, by the way.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
There's no longer 2 sticks and that's it.
No, it's just with
It's no
tape.
longer 2 sticks.
It's with tape.
What's this?
I don't know.
I ate a fucking
Why
flower.
did I eat a
It was
flower?
a-
Why did I?
It was a lot dandelion.
Good reference. Good reference.
What
Come on,
the fuck is
go on
this?
this way. There's a campfire. Where are you going? Where the fuck are you going?
There's just more. Oh, it's a leg and a body.
Cool, cool. I'm gonna go to the fire. I don't know about you.
Okay, I'm coming. Give me
Yeah.
a second.
Yeah. Oh look, mushroom. Let me eat this. It gave me health. Why did it give me health?
What? The mushroom gave
Never mind.
you lied to me. You fucking lied to me. I don't trust you no more. It gave me health. Wow.
There's something up here. There's
I'm
something up here.
What the fuck is that? Okay.
Lizard.
Where? These blueberries? Blueberries? No. I
Blueberries.
lied.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hello,
Sure.
people.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
What
yeah,
the fuck?
yep,
I'm gonna take him out.
Yep,
Mm.
yep, here we go.
Oh my god.
Kill him,
Oh.
kill him, kill him, kill him. Get him. Get his ass. Oh
What are
gosh.
you doing? He's better.
He has friends.
So,
Oh, you're dead.
I'm down.
You're dead. Get up, bitch.
So I'm back up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, where's his friends?
He's there behind you. I'll take him out.
Oh, you?
Oh, never mind. Holy shit.
shit. Okay, I'm down.
You're up?
Holy fuck, how are you getting me up so quick? What the fuck?
I need help with this mutant. You dumbass.
I didn't realize you can attack from behind!
Yeah, I
He
thought
walked
so.
straight through me. Miss me, yeah, yeah. Actually, no, you're not.
Get him.
Fuck off. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. Yeah! Fuck you! Yeah! Can I take the motor? Can I? No? Okay. Oh yeah, you're still dealing with these guys.
Did you kill him? They're dead. Oh my god, you killed him. You dumbass.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, I
Do
saw
you not
that.
have a-
I saw that. He does not have a face.
And this is how Slender Man was made.
Yep. It's fine. It's. Oh, I'm down. I'm fucking. I need a revive. He attacks.
Yep, he does. Did you let him out? The fuck?
Get him. Oh, he hits. He hits.
Yeah,
I need a revive. I need a revive. I need another revive.
Stay up! Where the fuck is he?
He's
Oh,
over
there
here.
he is.
Jesus, I lagged for some reason. Oh, he's pulsating.
Yeah, same.
Oh god, he's pulsating.
Is he still alive? The fuck?
Yes, he is. Okay, I guess time for bones.
These?
Time for bones.
So... so these guys look more human, do they not?
Yeah, yeah. It's weird.
Can we, like, chuck it on this fire?
No, I'm making a fire. I'm making a fire.
Oh, ow, okay.
I've made a fire.
Oh.
Look what I
You
made.
got a fire.
Yeah, look what I made. You didn't put him right.
Mm.
You.
We don't talk about that?
Well.
It's still burning, nonetheless.
I mean, fair. By the way, this one guy had a spear, like 3 spears on his back, and I took those 3 spears. Hey, look, a pouch, a skin pouch,
What?
a skin pouch.
Ew, why? Why do they have this?
Cannibals, man, cannibals. I got a light bulb.
Yeah, I got a light bulb too. I don't know what I'm going to use it, but I might have a good idea.
I hate that we need to go into our fucking inventory for weapons.
I think it... What the fuck is...
Hey, Bone.
Okay.
Man, I'm out of bones. Can we make bone armor? Leaf armor, stone. No.
Leaf armor. Ah, yes. That sounds useful.
Where the fuck are my bones? There are the bones.
All
can
the
I
way
make?
off to the right.
Oh, we can still make bone armor. I need fucking tape, really?
God, so tape is going to be so annoying.
Yeah, it's gonna be essential. Hey, money.
What else am I missing? Bone armor and rope.
Yeah. I'm just gonna check some
Rope is
meds.
all.
Okay, let's see what this skin pouch has in store. I'm opening my skin pouch. Ooh, goodies. It does. Oh, tape. Good. Oh, Jesus Christ, tape. Open your skin pouch, my friend.
Where's my skin pouch? I'll find it.
I've made bone armor. Let me
I
wear
have
this.
made 2 bone armors.
Nice,
I
nice,
have
nice.
grenades.
Yeah.
Now, where the
nice.
fuck is the skin pouch?
It's beside your leaves on the bottom left. Oh, hey. Hey, okay.
Hey. Might be down, but
It's a skin pouch. It's a literal skin pouch. Left, besides the leaves. Bottom, left.
that's a gas thing? No.
Oh my god! Oh, wait, company, we have company.
I'm down. I'm down.
Company.
Yeah, I'm down. I didn't realize I'm still trying to find the skin pouch. Time up. I'm down. Again, I'm down. No!
Burn, bitch, burn. I'm down. Fuck. Don't die. Watch out. Right in the gut. Nice. You're gonna be turned into bones, my dude. Burn in hell, bitch. Motherfucker destroy the camps. I guess we can destroy them as well. Yeah. Oh, lovely. What can we do? What are we to do, animal? Do you know what to do? 3D printed arrow, fire, carbon fiber. Fire, carbon fiber arrow. Jesus. Molotov. I don't have arrow. Alcohols. Animal. Jesus. I guess he's...
Oh, I was muted.
Yeah,
that
you
whole
were
time.
fucking muted.
Okay,
You dumb fuck. Jesus.
I was just stabbing a fucking meat stack ball thing. And also I said they ate bats, so they might have corona, and oh wait, I can't say that, fuck. Shit. You need to take that out. Sorry, man.
No, says it this time. Says to stay in.
What else should I say?
Yeah, what offensive thing have you said? We have a lot of bones, but
yeah,
Bro.
no fucking.
tape, no tape. Okay, shall we
Wow.
continue? Shall we, Mosey?
Sure, oh, wow, a flesh cat. A flesh round, actually.
Nice. What's this?
Oh, it's like a feeding area. Why, though?
Yeah, I don't know why.
These feel like, oh my god, hi, dude.
Yeah, it's just Calvin doing Calvin stuff.
Fucking Calvin. Oh shit,
Bloobs,
yeah,
bloobs.
blueberries.
Okay. We gotta continue.
Okay, so where's map? Maps.
Yeah, we gotta
We
continue.
need to go this way.
way, yeah.
Okay. Oh, that one off to the right location is a lot closer.
Is it?
Like I could see it on the map.
Oh yeah,
Now that you
yeah.
have them
By the
shown up.
way, middle mouse button. You can click on and zoom in.
Oh, whoa!
Yeah.
Oh, what? I was trying to take us to the fucking middle of the ocean.
People.
Ah, yes, because I should have turned up brightness. Yeah.
Oh,
This could be very bad for us, or this could fucking work.
let's just continue on forward, shall we? Calvin, come on.
Yeah. Fuck, he's a slow ass. God, who brought him along? Why are you? Checkmate! Jesus! Damn it! Oh, yeah, Calvin! Calvin, he's something.
We need to.
Right.
No, wait, what? I'll take some rope.
Where are we in?
We need to go.
Another-
We need to go left. We need to go left. Left. Come on.
Left.
Do you have your fucking map?
Yeah, I do.
Zoom in the map.
Oh.
What was
Oh,
that? What was
that's
that?
not blueberries. It wasn't blueberries. It was blue something.
I'm down. Fuck. Oh, I hate that there's no hotkeys. I need
can't see it,
I need
can't see it,
revive. I
can't
need
see it.
revive.
Yep.
Calvin is down.
Oh, you. Calvin is down. Who the fuck cares?
Oh,
I
Calvin left.
What the fuck?
Oh,
What are you doing?
it's she's nice. She's
Oh,
nice.
she's got a bad leg.
She's nice. Watch out. Watch out.
I did. She has a third leg. And
Yeah,
a third
yeah.
arm,
She's a good
but
mutant. She's a good mutant.
What the hell?
Let's just continue.
Yep. Follow me and you will see.
Animal, you're going
I'm
away.
testing my-
Animal.
I'm going. Yes, I am going the way. I swear to fuck. I can't see where he is.
Go on. Come.
Ah, yes, thank you, Papa.
Where the fuck are you going?
I'm going to the fucking camp.
Follow the road. Follow the road.
Ah! Where's the road? I know a shortcut.
Follow my name. Ooh, fireflies. Nice.
I'm here.
Hello.
And I am lagging. Okay, I'm back. Where are you? There you
Oh,
are.
peoples.
Hi. Yeah, well, how did it go with following
Okay,
the road?
you know what? Let's go to the shortcut. You're so right. Why did I doubt you?
Yeah, thanks, man. Fuck yourself.
We are company.
I'm just gonna continue walking. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ, Sam. You didn't scare me.
Hey, look, a road. Come on, Kevin. I see light ahead. I see light ahead.
Is one of our comrades? Can we, like...
Hello? Comrades?
That's not what...
We can sleep, we can sleep, we can... Sleep. Sleep.
Yeah.
Sleep. Oh, people. Behind you. I'm down. Fuck! Oh my god.
Are you down?
Yeah, I'm down. I'm responding.
We're both down.
Yeah. Respawn. Oh. Where are we? Oh, they fucking crucified us. Animal, break open.
Oh,
Run,
no.
run.
Oh, this is so
Run.
cool.
Run.
I'm still in like a cutscene type of thing. What is this?
Hurry. No, don't go there. Oh,
It's on my ship, man.
never mind, that is actual
Son
shit.
of a bitch. Zia, you gotta... Oh, thank
Yeah,
you, man.
gotcha.
Don't you fucking cutscene it, you bitch! Why would you fucking need to take that long of time? Oh my god!
Yeah, I don't know why it takes it's sweet ass time. You're stuck?
Why is my fucking... Why? Game, please, why?
Oh, you're down. Fuck. Me.
I might just... I'm down again!
Calvin is down. Calvin is down.
We don't care about Calvin. He can die all I care. Fuck Calvin, me!
Get up, bitch.
I can move! I can barely run, though! Okie dokie, where's the map?
I'm fucking down. God damn. I need a revive.
Okay.
I need a revive. You know, maybe putting it in hard wasn't the best idea.
What? You
I'm
said
down.
that was hard or hard? God, fuck you. Which one do you prefer, hard or hard? I don't fucking know. I maybe only got one choice.
I'm up.
You're up? Now let me fucking check my fucking map. This way. We're going to the spot.
Yep.
You're getting attacked? Do not fuck up.
Oh, that's where the spot is? What?
No. The spot is a bit further. survived.
Oh,
day one.
fucking Christ. I'm down. I'm down.
Oh, you touched
Don't die.
Calvin, you fucking useless prick! You meant to pick him up! Don't run past him, Calvin! This is why I hate Calvin. You're up, you're alive. There's a dude behind you, just keep on moving. Move it, move it. Don't get sued.
Again. Fuck. I'm down. God damn it. If these guys are way too much. I need my spear at least. Okay, we made it. We made it away from them.
Wee woo, E. Okay, game saved.
Let me just save my game.
Okay, we going to sleep?
Yes.